Welcome back to my channel. WordPress migration can be frustrating, especially when your site size crosses 500 megabytes. I'll show you how I successfully migrated my entire 789 megabytes website using the free Migrate Guru plugin, and it took just 26 minutes. First, I installed and activated the Migrate Guru plugin on both the source website and the destination website. It's free and available directly in the WordPress plugin directory. Once installed, I opened the plugin on the source site, entered my email, and agreed to the terms to start the migration process. Next, Migrate Guru asked me to select the hosting company. It lists popular options like Bluehost, HostGator, GoDaddy, cPanel, InMotion, and many other hosting providers. Since my host InterServer wasn't listed, I selected Other. Then it asked for a migration key. I copied this key from the destination site plugin and pasted it into the source site migration process. After that, clicked on the Migrate button. Once validated, Migrate Guru was ready to start the transfer. The Migrate Guru first started migrating files and then tables. After that, it started migrating the entire site. The process is so simple and no technical skill is required. The migration takes a bit of time depending on your site size. While it was running, here's a look at my original website, techfin2k.com, and the empty destination site, testinter.techfin2k.com, before migration. During the process, my server throughput peaked at around 20,480 kilobytes per second, so the load was quite high. But even with that, the plugin kept running smoothly and didn't crash. After about 26 minutes, the migration was complete. I checked the destination site, and it looked identical to my original site. Themes, plugins, settings, media, and content all migrated perfectly. See the destination site in full screen. It looks same as the source site. There is no little difference between them. So if you're struggling with failed migrations due to file size limits or server restrictions, Migrate Guru is definitely worth trying. It's free, fast, and reliable. Some hosting providers actually offer free website migration when you switch to them. Few trusted options given in the description, along with my affiliate links. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. If you get any errors during migration, please comment. I will guide you the steps.